If you're a farmer, wouldn't it be nice to know that there's an equipment manufacturer out there that actually listens to what you've got to say? Well, that's exactly what we do at Sunflower. We listen. And that's why the new 1433 series flexible tandem discs from Sunflower have all the features and provide all the benefits that today's modern farmers are looking for. There's plenty of weight for serious disking. Trash clearance and ground clearance are excellent. And these discs have the operational flexibility to handle the residue farming practices of today and for many years to come. What's more, the new 1433 discs are backed by Sunflower's reputation for quality and by more than a quarter century of disc building experience. At Sunflower, we're here for the long haul, and so are the rugged and reliable 1433 series discs. Built from high-tensile tubular steel, the 1433's all-welded frames provide 532 pounds of weight per working foot and 185 pounds per disc blade, enabling the disc to efficiently cut through hard ground and tough residue conditions. The frame sections will not twist or buckle, provide even weight distribution, and the three-section flexibility assures smooth, even tillage when working terraces or rough, uneven terrain. The flexibility of the independent frame sections also provides the disc gangs with an extra measure of protection from field hazards, such as rocks or stumps. In addition, 1433 discs are equipped with gauge wheels mounted on the outside wing sections. A Sunflower trademark, the gauge wheels prevent gouging by the outside gangs, ensuring uniform ridge-free tillage. By equipping the gauge wheel assemblies with built-in screw-type adjustments, Sunflower has eliminated the bothersome chore of hunting up a wrench every time an adjustment is necessary. What's more, the parallel link mounts ensure that the gauge wheels maintain positive vertical alignment. 1433 discs also feature a staggered overlapping disc gang arrangement with the front gangs set at an aggressive 20-degree work angle and the overlapping rear gangs set at 18 degrees. This staggered overlapping configuration allows the front gangs to cut the soil cleanly across the entire width of the machine. As the front gangs cut and throw the soil outwards, the rear gangs cut and return the same soil to the inside in a crisscross pattern. This eliminates the need for a center shank behind the front gangs and prevents the ridging problem that is all too common with conventional tandem discs. In addition, the tapered rear gangs feature notched filler blades that promote even disking and help control water erosion by eliminating the continuous furrow often left behind by other discs. To guard against disc blade slippage, all Sunflower disc gangs are pre-assembled at the plant. Heavy spring steel end collars are compressed and tightened hydraulically, eliminating the possibility of blade slippage within the disc gang. 1433 series disc gangs are assembled on heavy 1 3/4 inch shaft with precision machined steel spools separating the disc blades. The disc gangs are protected from the shock of rocks, stumps, or other field hazards by Sunflower's exclusive C-Flex bearing standards. The flexing action of the C-Flex standards effectively cushions the gang assembly from the shock of and potential damage due to buried hazards. What's more, Sunflower's trunnion-style bearings have the freedom to move and self-align as the hangers flex. This eliminates the possibility of wear between bearing and housing and significantly increases the field life of the entire gang and bearing assembly. These trunnion-style bearings can take daily greasing, are triple sealed, and have steel washers protecting the seals. Conventional bearings and rigid standards simply cannot match the level of protection provided by Sunflower's exclusive C-Flex system. In addition to outstanding shock protection, the C-Flex system also provides excellent trash clearance between disc blades and gang bar, giving the 1433 the ability to work through high residue fields without plugging. 1433 series disc gangs can be set up with 7.5 inch or 8 3/4 inch disc blade spacing and with standard or low concavity disc blades. Low concavity blades do offer certain advantages in that they improve soil penetration and reduce compaction. They also require less horsepower to pull, provide superior leveling action even at higher speeds, and work better in higher moisture conditions. Low concavity blades are available in 21 5/8 or 23 5/8 inch diameters and 4 or 6 gauge thickness, giving farmers even more flexibility in putting together a 1433 disc that best suits their individual requirements. Other disc gang options include rigid and spring tension scrapers. The rigid blade scrapers are made from spring steel and have 4-inch replaceable scraper blades. The spring tension scrapers feature a special adjustment that controls the position of the scraper blade in relation to the disc blade. This minimizes blade wear while maintaining spring tension benefits. Designed to be user-friendly, the new 1433 series discs allow operators to level the frame from front to rear with a single adjustment. The hand crank located at the front of the disc is standard on the 1433, while an optional hydraulic control provides tractor seat convenience and an easy-to-see reference dial. But it doesn't matter how you do it. Once set, the frame maintains a level posture whether up in transport position or down in field position. The frame leveler also has heavy compression springs mounted on each side of the pivot point, helping to cushion front and rear gangs when running through gullies and rough terrain. For precise depth control, Sunflower also mounts a single-point depth control at the front of the disc. Requiring one complete turn for each quarter-inch of vertical adjustment, this one control sets the operating depth for the entire machine, making precise depth control simple and easy. Whether running down the road or in the field, the 1433's walking tandems provide the machine with an exceptionally smooth ride. The pivoting action of the walking beams and staggered duals smooths out the roughest fields and eliminates the uneven penetration and frame bounce that is so common with machines running on fixed axles or conventional duals. Built to last, the walking beams pivot on greasable, very durable tapered roller bearings. The heavy-duty wheel hubs turn on greasable, high-capacity triple-lip sealed bearings. The large flotation tires are mounted on 15-inch wheels that provide valve stem protection. The 1433 series discs come equipped with a rephasing hydraulic lift system as standard equipment. By mounting the lift cylinders in front of each set of tandems, torque to the lift arm and rock shaft has been reduced, while the ground clearance of the disc has been increased. To extend the field life of the system, all hydraulic lift cylinders have hardened wear bushings installed at the rod clevis ends. Keeping maintenance and operating costs to a minimum has always been a primary objective for the 1433 series discs. That's why Sunflower has redesigned the pivot ends of the rock shaft, installing new high-density space-age plastic sleeves that are totally maintenance-free. Since metal-to-metal contact has been eliminated, loose joints and worn parts at rock shaft's pivot points are no longer a problem, and greasing is no longer necessary. The new space-age sleeves are virtually impossible to wear out, even though they operate at very tight tolerances. This means the 1433 holds preset levels and adjustments exceptionally well. All this adds up to a superior performing disc that over the long run will provide substantial savings in time and money. Other potential wear points on 1433 discs have been fitted with easily accessible grease zerks, and all parts subject to wear can be easily removed and replaced with original Sunflower parts. Other features that farmers really appreciate are the heavy, narrow-profile tongue that permits tight cornering, and the unique swivel hitch clevis that has both single and double lip hookups. With this disc, you will always have the right clevis combination no matter what you hook up to. A handy hose line keeper that separates the disc's hydraulic hoses and a tongue jack that swings up and out of the way when not in use are available as well. There are also two rear toe hitches for the 1433 series. One has a fixed hitch and ball joint, while the other features a slide hitch with ball joint that makes hookup in tight areas a lot easier. When equipped with an optional coil-tine harrow, 1433 discs become even more versatile and can function quite effectively as a finishing tool in certain applications. The coil-tine attachments have 2 mounting arms and 3 rows of coil tines per section. The 3/8 by 16-inch tines are set on 2.5-inch centers and individually mounted, allowing for easy replacement. Each tine section features backup protection and allows for easy adjustment of tine pitch, height, tilt, and downward pressure. Coil tine attachments are available for every 1433 disc built, with discs available in 7 working widths ranging from 19 to 35 feet. This outstanding size selection gives farmers the ability to match a 1433 series disc to their individual tillage requirements. And while a 1433 disc will take a wide swath out of your field, it will do just the opposite when running down the road. 19 to 28-foot models fold to a transport width of only 13 feet 5 inches, while 29, 32, and 35-foot models fold to a transport width of 17 feet 8 inches. But no matter which 1433 flexible tandem disc you pull home, you can be sure of this. You now own the best-built, best-cutting, and best-leveling disc around, bar none. That's because Sunflower builds the 1433 based on the wants and needs of you, the American farmer. Rugged and reliable, these heavyweight flexible discs require minimal maintenance and will provide years of trouble-free, dependable service. And since these discs carry the Sunflower name, you can buy with complete confidence, knowing that they are backed by Sunflower's unmatched reputation for quality and service after the sale. Setting the standard for the 21st century, the 1433 flexible tandem discs from Sunflower Manufacturing.